Take a breath, pull me close, and take one step. Keep your eyes locked on mine, and let the music be your guide.
Won't you promise?
Now won't you promise me that you'll never forget
we'll keep
to keep dancing wherever we go next? It's like catching lightning, the chances of finding someone like you. It's 1 in a million, the chances of feeling the way we do. And with every step together, we just keep on getting better. So can I have this dance? Can I have this dance?
Take my hand, I'll take the lead, and every turn will be safe with me. Don't be afraid, afraid to fall. You know I'll catch you through it all, and you can't keep
Even 1,000
us
miles
apart.
can't keep us apart.
'Cause my heart
is
wherever you are.
It's like catching lightning, the chances of finding someone like you. It's 1 in a million, the chances of feeling the way we do. And with every step together, we just keep on getting better. So can I have this?
Can I have this dance? Can I have this dance?
Oh, no mountains too high and no oceans too wide. 'Cause together or not, our dance won't stop. Let it rain, let it pour. What we have is worth fighting for. You know I believe that we were meant to be. It's like catching lightning, the chances of finding someone like you. It's 1 in a million, the chances of feeling the way we do. And with every step together, we just keep on getting better. So can I have this?
Can I have this dance? Can I have this dance?
Can I have this
Dance. Can I have this dance?
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Oh, if I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. take my whole life too. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Won't take my hand, take my whole life too. For I
was our first week at Myrtle Beach, where it all began. It was 102, nothing to do, and it was high, so we jumped in. We sometimes sipping, sweet tea, kissing our feet.
Magbigay ka naman ng message, Francis, ng maayos. Ano yung mga panlaban mong advice dyan para sa isang little sister? Dapat recorded yan, ha?
I hope you grow and be the rich kid like you always wanted. And it's your 18th birthday. You can go to the club with our friends. And wait for lang ako next year. Yeah? Next year. So yun na, more chicas and more chicas. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Ayan, thank you so much, Maria, para sa...
Kasalanan mo kami!
Sabi sa inyo, dali lang yung message eh. Kasi iyak ka na naman.
Huling inom niyan, lasing ka ba?
Huling inom, lasing.
Iyak kami. Magkakilala tayo since childhood na tayo. So, tahimik mo, ikaw yung ate na tahimik. Tapos, sunod, hindi na namin alam yung gagawin mo kayo. Hindi na namin from, like, bigla na magsasabi ng kwento na hindi kami doon. And, yung mga random chika mo, boy. Hindi ko naman magpapag ngayon. Sana, makahanap ng right guy for you. Yung papatuhin ka ng tama, hindi yung nagraran ka pag uwi mo sa amin, sa Makati, magraran ka na ganito ganyan, si ganito ganyan. Please love me! Magkakas ka ng tama! Oh, meron? Sino? Yung response na breakup mo, kung pwede yung chismis doon, baka gusto mo i-share. Kaya, may binaglaan mo ata sila, baka gusto mo i-share doon. Diba? Pero, sana makahanap ka namang right guy, and then, I hope na maging rich ka na yung pinapangarap mo. And then, ma-reach nila yung dreams mo. Tapos, yun yan. Okay, thank you.
Ayan. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday ulit, Isel. I know na mula nung bata pa lang tayo, wish mo talaga na successful ka sa future, which is kami rin, gusto rin natin na successful. Siyempre, hindi ikaw yung mag-isagot. Nung sinabi ng kapatid ko, nung bata pa lang tayo, apat, naalala ko pa nung nagkukwentuhan lang tayo sa... Nagkukwentuhan pa lang tayo sa kwarto namin, doon kay, kapitbahay. Sinabi na yung kanina. Alam nila po yun, pero wag na po natin pag-usapan wala siya dito, hindi in-invite. Well, wish ko din, katulad nila na maging successful ka, and mahanap mo talaga yung right guy at the right moment. Huwag mo nagawa ngayon kasi bawal mo nandiyan pagkikita. At wala na, next time na. And, yun lang, thank you.
Ayan. Mahahanap ang right guy sa right time. So,
Isel, happy birthday. Wish ko. Mag-aral ka lang mabuti. Kasi, lang kami para sa'yo.
Ayun, ang sarap nun.
gustong-gusto ko nun, mag-aral lang
Mag-aral ka mabuti. Sana, in the future, lahat ng pangarap mo, nandito lang kami sa mga advice na kailangan mo. Happy birthday.
Ayan, maraming salamat po, Ate Jerilyn.
Hi, Crisel. Happy 18th birthday to you. We love you so much, and I wish you to have a good health, more birthdays to come, and be independent. Don't let anyone hurt you again. And you've been through a lot, I know. And I'm so proud of you, and I'm happy that you are now 18. And I want you to know that I'm very grateful that you become my friend. 4 years of friendship and still counting. Once again, happy 18th birthday.
Ayan, thank you so much. Yan, palagay na
Hi, first of all, happy birthday to you, and I'm so thankful kasi nakilala kita, and thank you for being still my friend. Kasi alam mo na, maraming nawala, pero ikaw yung nakita, kayo ni Zai, and wish you all the best, and lalo na is makamit mo yung gusto mong profession, and I'm hoping na when the time has come na makakita mo yung para sa'yo is i-treat ka na ng tama. Alam mo naman, inulyong ka na, pero tama na. Huwag na sa mga maling lalaki. Love you. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you, Ate Nadine. And of course, from Zara Venice.
Hi, Isel. Happy 18th birthday. You know naman, we love you so much. Thank you kasi lagi nang nakikinig sa Rants and Chicas ko. Kahit umiiyak ako sa'yo. Wish you to have a good health. Kasi huwag kang magpamaloko sa lalaki. Kasi alam mo naman lahat sila. Tapos ka lang sa study mo, then more birthday to have. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Hi guys, una sa lahat, wish ko sa'yo good health na, and kahit na magkaroon ka ng problema, nandito kami dalawa ni Nadine at saka ni Tita para masabihan mo sa kung ano man yung problema mo. Yun lang, thankful ako kasi nagkikaibigan kita, and sana walang pagbabago kahit na magkakahiwalay na tayo for pag-college. Yun lang, happy 18th birthday.
Ayan, thank you so much. Very strong ang social circles ni Crisel, So, hopefully, tama si ate after college, hindi nyo kakalimutan.
Welcome to Advent School, and thank you so much, alam mo yun. And the wish mo sa is, sana matupad natin ang pangarap mo, and maging rich dito tayo. Kaya magtapos tayo pare-parehas kasi marami tayong pangarap. Nalaw mo, iwan taon, maging super strong ang friendship natin. Tayo, nag-backstab kaya di na tayo pwede mag-friend zone kasi kaya naman so and then, makinig ka lang lagi kasi parents knows best talaga kaya good health and enjoy your life. Happy birthday, Jen. Wish ko sana always ni Kuya Francis Montara sa'yo is study hard and be good grades sa mga makita ko. I love you.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Ate Irene.
Karin Kabili, happy birthday, mag-ari ng mabuti.
Hi, Diesel. I wish that Almighty blesses you luck, happiness, love, good health, and success in every walk of your life. And you truly deserve it. May the grace of God be with you on this day and forever. You know, I'm so excited. I mean, we're so excited to see how the path of God will shape your life in the year to come. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Ayan.
Happy birthday, Crisel. Today marks a significant milestone in your life as you officially entered adulthood. As you celebrate this special day, take a moment to reflect on the valuable lessons you have learned throughout your journey. Remember that life is a continuous learning process, and each experience shapes you into the person you are becoming. Embrace challenge with courage, seek knowledge with curiosity and passion, and never stop pursuing your dreams. May this year be filled with growth, wisdom, and countless opportunities for you to thrive. Happy birthday.
Ayan. Thank you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Isel. Wish ko lang po sa'yo, your life be filled endless adventures and success.
Ayan.
ng Diyos sa Efeso 6:1, sabi dito, mga anak, sundin ninyo ang inyong mga magulang sa Panginoon, sapagkat ito ang nararapat. Igalang mo ang inyong ama at ina. Ito ang unang utos na may kalakip na pangako. Ikaw ay giginhawa at mahaba ang iyong buhay dito sa lupa. Ayun, yun po ang aking maiksing mensahe para sa kanya. At salamat sa Panginoon na ikaw ay lalo pang pagpalain ng Diyos at lalo pang bigyan ng karunungan, kaalaman at patuloy ng kalakasan, kalusugan. Itong maliit na regalong ito ay handog ko para sa iyo. Magagamit mo yan.
Ito ang regalan sa happy 18th birthday. Sana kapag mo ang iyong
Ayan po ang napakamahiyain po ng ating Lucille. Pero very special ang inyong
happy birthday, Crisel. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo mabuhay. At magtutuloy ka, abutin mo ang mga pangarap mo. Para sa iyo.
Ayan.
Happy birthday, Jay. Sana, enjoy mo pa yung pagiging kailangan. Kailangan ka ngayon. Ingatan mo sa mga
Ayan, maraming salamat po. And of course,
Batiin mo. Batiin.
Ayan, ano ba? Magbigay ka naman ng konting clue. Magbigay ka ng konting clue tungkol sa gift mo. Sinusuot natin kasi bahala ka na kung saan ang sinusuot. Kung ito ay mula ulo hanggang taabas ka. Ayan, so meron po may special na mensahe para kay ate. Sige na, huwag kang mahiya. Bawal na daw tumawa, mga tita-tito.
Bilis niya.
Lagi yung mag-iingat ka. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. More birthdays to come na.
Ayan, huwag kang magkakamali na.
So, ayan. So, happy birthday, Giselle. Isa lang yung message ko, malayo na, pero malayo. Malayo na, pero malayo pa. Yung gift ko, balita ko kasi kaka-break mo lang. So, yung gift ko sa'yo, magagamit mo yan pag nilalamig ka. So, alam mo yan. Happy birthday.
Ayan, hindi ko alam kung matatouch siya kasi.
Hi, sir. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang, yun lang, aral ka muna po. Sana iwasan mo yung good. Ganda mo. Kaya naman, alam ko matalino ka. Bali, magtapos ka muna. Huwag mo na boyfriend kasi nakaka-stop yan. Depende naman sa pag-handle. Happy birthday. Gift ko something useful. Alam ko, sabi nga ni Tito, di ko lang kung totoo yun. Di ako na-chika ni Francis na break na kayo. Dito. Kasi updated ako. Ay, Francis, lagi ka nasa bahay. Wala kang pinapanggit. Ito naman is something useful. Pero ngayong summer kasi, hindi masyadong magagamit. Eh, siguro pag lumalabas ka ng bahay, magagamit mo ito. Basta enjoy your life. Study hard. Alam ko matalino ka. Lahat ng yung pangarap mo, sana matupad. Yun, mahalin mo, kapatid mo. Siyempre, naglilan mo. Self-stay sa isang ate. And then, kayo ka. Happy birthday. Hindi na.
Ayan. Ayan na ka.
Hi, Giselle. Happy birthday. Alam naman na kayo yung hotdog, so magagamit mo to para magabit siya.
Ayan. Ayan. So, next na ako.
Giselle, happy 18th birthday. Wala ko yung unang message kasi kasama ko lang sa 18th candles. Pero yung gift ko, magkakit ko sa ganda-ganda.
Ayan. So, thank you so much, Rayhaya. And of course, we have Ainsley Canlas. Please. Hello. Ayan. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, sir. So, at naman gamit mo siya pang araw-araw rin. Yes. Ay, alam mo na yun. Love you.
May mga secret kayo, ha? Kasama kami mamaya magbubukas niya. Joke lang.
Mamaya na yung sa 18 candles. Itong gift ko is magandang po siya kasi
Ayan. Thank you so much, Happy Irene. And we have also Jerlyn.
First of all, happy birthday, Giselle. Ang gusto ng
Kayo yung kumalit mo, dear.
parang kailangan.
First of all, happy birthday, Giselle. Ibig sa mga panahon parang kailan lang mo bata yung pa ngayon. Welcome sa legal age. Yung regalo ko, alam ko magugustuhan mo. Tagal kong pinag-isipan yan eh. Kung ano may regalo ko sa'yo may meaning, yung alam kong may sinising symbolize ngayon dalaga ka na. Katulad ng regalo ko sa iyo, may mga bagay at pangyayari ka sa buhay na minsan ikaw namin mag-decision kung tama ba o mali yun. Pero yun ka matututo sa mga decision mo yan. Huwag mo kakalimutan ang pag-isipan ng mga beses. Ilang beses ka ulit ng paso na yun kapag paso hindi mo na ibabalik ulit. Sa dami ng mga desisyon na tayo kapag nagawa natin natin kailangan, tama mo yung ulit. Pero ako makalaga yung pagtutunan tayo. So, huwag mo kalimutan lang, hindi na yung mag-release because siyempre hindi ko sa akin at ilagay mo sa amin. At siyempre, lagi kami nilagay kay Lord Jesus. So, yun lang, happy birthday.
Ayan, kompletong-kompleto.
Ayan, maraming salamat po. And of course, si Naslin.
Ayan, so
Your celebration ends, I'd like to thank God for the blessing He gave me for the past 18 years, for guiding me, for giving me the strength to face every challenges and making this event possible. To my family, Mama, Papa, and Kuya, thank you for the love and support. For my first, I would like to thank Tita Milet and Mama. For the second gown, thank you to Tito Rolly, and for the third and last gown, thank you to Tita Dal. To Tito Ton, thank you for planning the program for my debut. To Tito Pipito, thank you for creating such a wonderful video presentation. To the host for tonight, Tito Argel, thank you for hosting my debut celebration. For my 18th birthday cakes and souvenirs, thank you po Mama. For the foods, thank you po kay Papa sa pagbili. Sa mga nagluto po ng mga pagkain, kay Tito Rolly po. Maraming salamat po Tito Rolly. Thank you din po kay Tita Flor for preparing sa puto. And thank you to the person who secretly organized this occasion, to Mama and Tito Lalo. Kahit ang daming naging problema, thank you po kasi nangyari po itong event na to. To all the guests, thank you for coming to celebrate my 18th birthday. And last, dito po si Sir Domeng. I would like to thank the owner of this beautiful resort. Thank you po, Sir Domeng, kung asan ka man po. Thank you po.
Is that all? Ayan, maraming salamat sa ating debutant. So, para naman sa mga baka lang naman, baka lang naman, may hindi nabanggit po ang ating debutant. Napakarami po kasi natin, ano? So, hindi niya tayo mapapangalanan isa-isa. So, on her behalf, ako po ay nagpapasalamat po sa inyo. Debutant, 1, 2, 3, go! Day to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mas mabilis, mas Ayan. Wish mo na, Priscel. Ibilisan mo, putulin yung kamay mo. Ayan. Yes! Ayan, kahit mahirap, gagawa ng paraan ni nanay, kahit papasok-pasok siya dyan. Ayan. So, thank you so much. Ito muna ang ating
figured it out. I figured it out from black and white, seconds and hours. Maybe they had to take some time. I know how it goes. I know how it goes for wrong and right, silence and sound. Did they ever hold each other tight like us? Did they ever fight like us? You and I, we don't wanna be like them. We can make it till the end. Nothing can come between you and I, not even the gods above can separate the two of us. No, nothing can come between you and I. Oh, you and I. I figured it out. Saw the mistakes of up and down, meet in the middle. There's always room for common ground. I see what it's like. I see what it's like for day and night, never together. 'Cause they see things in a different light, like us. They never tried like us.